Yeah, a month ago or so, I was doing the same thing you guys are doing right now, looking on the internet to try to find a reasonable priced product where you can screen in your deck or a porch or something. And I came across the same one you're looking at now, SNAPP screen, and it turned out to be the better one that I chose to do. We already had this nice sitting area here on our deck. Problem was, we had bugs coming in. And when it's cool, we put a fire in this wood heater and it heats this area up. We can drop these shades down and it helps to hold it in a little bit. But the screen was amazingly easy to work with, and we had these large openings, so it took a little time to do these. Now, I 45'd the corners, but I had to butt these joints right here. Can you see that joint between those two screws? They're just butt joints. And to hold those things straight, I used a spring clamp and did this. And that held it together, because you know when you drill a hole, even though you drill a hole and try to center the screw, it still tries to push it away just a little bit. So this helped a lot. Now the way my porch deck was already done, now this was already built by a contractor, and these are 4x4 aluminum posts that go top to bottom all the way down into some concrete. And my braces went across here, and that meant the decking stopped at this point. So I needed something to bump up against there. So it looks like a 2x4, but it's actually a 2x8, I think it is, and it's screwed in from the side over there, and I'll show you when we go outside. This end of this porch had no bracing or anything at all, so I had to do that with lumber. That's a couple 2x4s laid up there like a T. This is two 2x4s that direction and one across the bottom. But that keeps anything from rolling and damaging the screen at that point. Here, I'll give you a shot of the entire porch. It's about 73 feet long, I think it is, by 12. So there was a lot of openings. I came in and put these walls immediately after, because I didn't want the opening to go all the way down. I wanted them to have several openings and a little bit of privacy. So I did the walls here. But that still left an area about 8 foot tall, or almost 8 foot tall, and about 8'8" or something wide. Here's a view from the outside. This is the sitting area with that blind pulled down just a couple of feet. And there's the 2x8 I was saying I put in, just so I could have something to attach the tracks to. And that worked out beautifully for me. Also gave a little strength to that outside piece. But it's a long porch, and we love it even more now than we did before, because it's bug free now. So thank you, SNAPP Screen, for the product. I looked at several, just like the guys are right now. They're looking on the internet at different ones. Let me suggest to you SNAPP Screen. I did an awful lot of searching and found out SNAPP Screen to be the easiest one to use, and the pieces are sturdy. They're far sturdier than I thought they would be, and they're the metal ones, and I put the screws in about every 10 inches or so, and it did a wonderful job. So thanks for looking, you guys. I'm hoping I can see some pictures of your project soon.